represented by Student Captain Ryan Algopera. Performing event number 1, a high-rise factory. Once again, Philomena Christian University, our fourth performer for the single event competition. Of Philomena Christian University. Mr. Ryan Algopera, taon pa ang nagaguyog sang kalisa. Harapersana. Presenting Philomena Christian University. Single event performer number 4, Mr. Ryan Algopera. He is now performing in horse rolling. Running around the fire extinguisher is no other than Mr. Ryan Algopera of Philomena Christian University. Was, sikat, Philomena Astagwas.